Graph y is less than or equal to 2x plus 1 on a plane. To graph this inequality, we'll begin by graphing the equation y equals 2x plus 1. This is an equation, a line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 0, 1. And we'll draw the line solid because the inequality symbol is less than or equal to. So we mark a y-intercept of 1, and we count off a slope of 2, up 2 over 1, and we draw our line. And again, we're going to draw it solid. This is the graph of the boundary line. Now, the graph of the inequality, y is less than or equal to 2x plus 1, consists of this line and either the half plane below it or above it. To determine which one to shade in, we choose a test point, and since this line does not go through 0, 0, we'll use that as a test point. We ask ourselves, we want to have y less than or equal to 2x plus 1. So we substitute 0, 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 2 times 0 plus 1? Or is 0 less than or equal to 1? Yes, since 0 is less than or equal to 1, this is a true inequality, which means that the point 0, 0 is part of the solution set. Since this is part of the solution set, the whole half plane that contains it is the solution set. So we can shade that, mark that somehow. And the graph of the inequality is the solid line plus this half plane.